Sasamahan.
Bakit to? Nakita ko na po ito dun sa gamit ni Ma'am Evelyn.
Sa gamit?
Ni Evelyn?
Manang Yoli, nakita mo ba si Mama Regina? Bakit, Manang?
Balae. Don't call me Balae. That position is for extended family only and not for freeloading predators who can't eat their legs. No!
Ano? Tuwag-tuwa ka siguro na nanoko niyo ako, no? What? Were you smiling every time tinatanggalan mo ng sinturon ang asawa ko?
Huh? Were you laughing at me every time you were kissing his filthy mouth? Akala ko second-hand bags lang ang gusto mo. Yung pala second-hand affection ng asawa ko. I thought you were here for my offer, but no. You were actually here providing extra service for the land. Nakakasuka ka!
Papataskin mo natin. Mama, natukso lang po yung bamba ko. Nagkamali.
You make a mistake when you overcook the pasta or when you wear off-season couture. But what your mother did is she ambushed my marriage. I thought you were my friend. Pinagkatiwalaan kita. But you were just a professional scavenger na nag-aantay ng mga tira-tira mo.
Patawarin mo ako. Nagsisisi na ako sa nagawa ko. Natukso lang ako sa kalungkutan ko, Regina.
I don't care how lonely you are or how lonely you were. Loneliness is not an excuse for loving shit. Do you know what you are? You're a knockoff dog na pag sa malayo okay, pero pag nasa harapan na, kitang-kita ko yan. Ano? Sige! Ipagtanggol mo pa yung nanay mo. It just proves how undignified you are like your mother! Pero wag mo lang tataktakan ako!
Ano ba nangyayari?
This two-faced woman and your father, they have been turning our house into a cheap roadside hotel. Pinagtataksilan nila ako sa sarili nating pamamahay.
Noma, you must...
I'm not mistaken!
Dad! Totoo ba to? She was the one flirting with me. Ilang beses kong tinanggihan ang advances niya. Pero naawa ako dahil mukhang desperado siya. If anything, I am the victim here. Inabuso niya ang kabaitan ko.
Ikaw ang umakit sa akin. Ikaw! Yung nangyari sa atin, isang beses lang yun. Dahil ikaw ang umabuso sa kalungkutan ko. Hayop ka!
I don't understand. Bakit sila nag-aaway? Di ba Lola and Lola Evelyn are getting along na?
I think dahil kay Lolo ko.
Should we go down there and stop them?
But no! Hindi ka pwede ma-stress, di ba? You know what? Ako na lang ang bababa.
Ingay! 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 Ingay!
Yung headphone.
Ingay!